In this video, we talk about using a Zoho campaign to create a calling list for Voiso Dialer. Voiso integrates with the Zoho CRM through an extension available from the Zoho Marketplace. Contact your Voiso account manager to enable the Zoho CRM integration for your Voiso account. With the Zoho CRM integration, you can use the calling list from a campaign that you create in Zoho in a Voiso Dialer outbound campaign. Before using the Zoho CRM integration, administrators and agents must log in to both Voiso and Zoho using the same email address account name. Refer to the Voiso documentation for details about using the Zoho CRM integration. Create a campaign in Zoho with a calling list of leads. Next, create a new dialer campaign in Voiso. Navigate to the outbound menu and select Dialer Campaigns to display the Campaigns page. Click Add New Campaign to create a new dialer campaign. Give the campaign a name and set the other parameters as needed. Then scroll to the Calling List section. Click to open the Method menu and select Zoho CRM as the calling list method. In the Zoho CRM campaign menu, select the name of the campaign that you want to use for your calling list. Make sure you specify a caller ID group for the campaign. Click Save to create the campaign. In the Campaigns page, your new campaign is added to the Campaigns table. The status of the campaign is loading data. Voiso connects with Zoho to access the calling list. Once the calling list is imported, the campaign is ready to start. Thanks for watching.